Hi everybody, so today we're going to talk about should you buy a used Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. This was the exact same question that I was asking myself when I purchased this car, because especially right now in 2023, the next Alfa QV will be all electric. Yes, it'll have 1,000 horsepower, but will not enjoy the mechanical feel of this car. So when I originally wanted to buy this car, I looked into the used one. It was 2018 blue, which you see a picture right now. And that car, when I test drove it, it didn't feel right for me. I think that was the problem more with the car than with like overall. Because I test drove a lot of different QVs, different years, 17, 18, 20, 22, 21 obviously that I have. So the price of a new one is like 85K, right? And the used one, let's say 2018, would be like $45,000. So it's basically 2 times less. For the used car, I think, again, depending on your budget, if you can't afford a new car that comes with a warranty, obviously you should buy that. But if you're looking for a used one, I think it would work great if one, you do 2020 year and above, because in 2018 they had major issues with engines and misfiring engines. One of my friends who we had a rally with, he destroyed his engine in one day. It was misfiring, and he needed to replace the engine. So the cost of the engine is $30,000 for the QV engine, which is insane. What I would do is I would buy 2020 model, and I would go with also extended warranty. So extended warranty is pretty much for like a 12-month or 24-month. It'll cost around $3,000, which is absolutely not bad. So depending on where you live, it'll be also good to check your Alfa infrastructure. One of the biggest issues with Alfa Romeo in its own is the whole infrastructure of dealerships and how fast you can get the parts. So if you live somewhere in Europe, that'll be great. If you live in the US, again, check how quickly and how many dealers do you have in your area. If you have a lot, great. If you have at least, again, a few, that'll be good. If you know the closest dealership is 50 miles, that would not work. So dealerships, extended warranty, 2020 model, and also immediately you would need to sign up and find Alfa community in your area. Here in San Francisco Bay Area, where I'm located, we have a great community of Alfa supporters, and we help each other a lot, from things like how to, your battery died, like how to reset it, or what brakes do you need to have, like what tires, all the other issues. Changing oils, because now my dealership is charging me $1,000 for changing an oil. Oh, like this is insane. And my guys will tell me how I can do that way cheaper. So that is alone very valuable part. So I would say that if you want to buy a used Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, go for it, because again, there's not much time left for us to enjoy these cars, because all of us will go electric, unfortunately or fortunately. A little bit more about why 2020 model. They've done a lot of different changes to the engine, to the chassis as well. So that was actually make the car more stable, and that was confirmed by a lot of mechanics. These engines on 2020 model have never being recalled. Before that, they were recalled. And also a big one, at least for me, was to update the updatement on the infotainment system. So now this model has Apple CarPlay. The 2017 to 19, they don't have Apple CarPlay, and that's the only thing that I use in terms of the infotainment system. Everything else you just don't need. That's why 2020 Plus is the way to go. So buy this car, 2020 model plus, extended warranty. Everything else will just work great. That'll be it. That'll be my advice. So if you Have any other questions, reach out to me. Hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.